So welcome guys, let's start to design this engine block in our Catia software. So actually it is so much complicated part. So let's start to design this part in category 1. So first of all we are designing this main engine block. Then we can design this adapter flange. Then we can design this oil fill channels and this process and the support part and this coolant core and all these coolant holes in this pocket. So let's start to first of all design this block. So here you can see in this PDF the all dimensions are given. So actually it is to isometric view of this engine block, and here you can see this is oil fill channel, and this is coolant port, and this is coolant channel. So let's start to design first of all this main engine block. So for design to this, go open first of all Catia software, go to start, mechanical design and part design, and give here name engine block. So let's start to design this part. But first of all, make sure we are not using actually this all three planes, so make sure to hide this all plane, and make sure our these all tabs are at upper side. This is sketch based feature, this is for fillet, this is reference, this is sketch. Now first of all we are creating one point in this geometrical shape which is act as origin, and insert axis system to this point, and make sure you are in a part where you define workbench, and let's start to design this part. So go to the sketch positioning, and first of all we are creating this bottom part. So select this xy plane, origin projected point as this, orientation is parallel to this line, and let's start to take this part. So create one simple rectangle here and give this dimension as 200. Height of this rectangle is 200, and the width actually is 286 plus this 33. So width is 286 plus 33 means 319 mm is good. And make sure to make this all proper. So here is our sketch tool, and here is our operation tab, and it is profile, constraint tab, and it is visualization. Drag this all tab at proper position, which can help you to make a proper design. And now let's start. So make this rectangle center aligned to this origin, and here to here it is 100. From vertical axis, half of this 319 is good. And we have to give fillet to this all corner. So drag your mouse to this rectangle, and go to corner here and drag this sketch tool somewhat bottom, and give your radius value. You have to give actually is, here you can see 4x are 35. So give your value as a 35. It is yes here. Now you can see this radius is created. just give dimension to this all. Once again we have to create another sketch here, but we are creating this sketch at some plane. Now exit this to the sketch workbench because we have created fully functioning sketch. And now we have to go to the pad, but before going to pad, make sure you are in a part where you define workbench. And now select this to the sketch and make sure what is distance for this. You can see a 60 mm height to this sketch. So give your length as 60 and make direction as a reverse. Now press OK. Now we have to create another sketch here. This sketch is present at 180 from this origin from this plane. So go to here reference element tab and go to your plane definition. Make sure your plane type is offset from plane. Select this plane and check what is value for this. So it is 180 minus 60. We have to do 180 minus 60. Now you can see one plane is created at 120. You can check from this major element also. You can check from this to this plane height is 180. Now go to sketch positioning. Select this plane. Origin as this point. Orientation is parallel to this line. Now create this another rectangle. Now go to again simple rectangle command and draw this rectangle. Actual length of this rectangle is 286 and this rectangle is coincident to this previous rectangle, somewhat like here. From here to here it is come as 43, which we have to go, and actual height of this rectangle is 165. You can see 165. And from top, from here to here, distance is given as 25. Now we have to give some fillet to this. So select this all corner point and press and hold this control button on your keyboard. And make sure what is value for this fillet is 50 radius. Now select corner here and in sketch tool give here value as 50. Yes. Now give dimension to this one. This tool is 50. This all because we have to make this sketch fully constant. Now you can see this sketch is fully constant. Actually just to this sketch for. Now you can see in this PDF the multi-section solid must be created using the multi-section solid tool only. So now we are using the multi-section tool here, but for this multi-section tool we have compulsorily two sketches. So first we have created and second we are taken to this. So go to the part body and hide this, unhide this sketch. Now you can see this sketch is good. Now go to multi-section solid from the sketch based feature and select first this as first section, this as second, and make sure your cross points are perfect. This and direction is also perfect. Now make a preview. That's okay. Now you can see this sketch part is created. Now you can see we have completed this one task. So in next video we are creating this all pockets and these holes in this all part. So see you next.